Everyone claims their Note app is the best. Most of them are either sponsored or they're recommending what they use, not what works for you. I tested Notion, Obsidian, Logseq, Apple Notes, OneNote, and Joplin. Spent hours in each one. Found out which actually delivers without the hype. In this video, we're breaking down the real strengths and weaknesses. No affiliate links, no BS. Just honest recommendations so you can pick the app that actually fits your brain. Before we dive into specific apps, let's talk about what matters. First, can you actually access your notes? Second, how fast is it? Third, does it support the format you want? Text, images, tables, code. Fourth, can you organize without losing your mind? And fifth, privacy. How comfortable are you with your notes sitting on someone else's servers? Most people skip this step, pick the first app they see, then abandon it in 6 months. So we're grading each app against these 5 criteria. That way, you can actually make a decision. Notion is free, and it's powerful. Unlimited pages, databases, templates. The selling point is flexibility. You can build a journal, a task tracker, a wiki, all in one place. But here's the catch. It's slow on phone. The free tier has limits on file uploads, and it's a lot to learn if you just want simple notes. Notion shines if you want to build something complex, if you're okay with a learning curve. For basic text notes, probably overkill. But for projects, databases, team wikis, Notion punches way above its weight for free. Obsidian stores everything locally on your device. That means your notes are yours. They're never on Obsidian's servers. It's fast. It supports backlinks and graph views. And if you like plain text files, this is it. The downside, syncing across devices costs money. The learning curve is real. You'll spend time setting up vaults and learning the plugin ecosystem. And mobile support exists, but it's clunky compared to Notion. Pick Obsidian if privacy matters. If you're comfortable with local files and occasional friction. Skip it if you need frictionless mobile access. Logseq is open source, which means the code is public. It's free, completely, no subscription for syncing across devices. Built for outlining and daily journals. Bullet points with nesting. It works locally, has a graph view like Obsidian, and feels snappier on mobile. The catch: smaller community, fewer templates, fewer integrations. It's less polished than Notion or Obsidian, so expect rough edges. But if you like bullet-based thinking, privacy, and want to skip paying for sync, Logseq is criminally underrated. It's my dark horse recommendation. Apple Notes is deeply integrated with your iPhone and Mac. It's clean, it's fast, and it's free. The problem? If you're Android or Windows, you're locked out. OneNote is Microsoft's answer. It's free, it syncs, it's solid. But it's not as smooth as it used to be, and the UI can feel cluttered. Joplin is open source like Logseq, privacy-focused and free. It's more polished than Logseq, but smaller community. Pick Apple Notes if you're in the Apple ecosystem. OneNote if you need broad device support. Joplin if privacy and open source matter most. Here's what I recommend based on your situation. Go Notion if you want flexibility and don't mind the learning curve. Obsidian if privacy and speed are non-negotiable. Logseq if you like outlining and open source. Apple Notes if you're all in on Apple devices. OneNote if you're on Windows or need broad team sync. Joplin if you want privacy without learning a ton. There's no single winner. Your brain is unique. The best app is the one you'll actually use. Test them. Spend a week in each. See which one feels natural. Then commit. Don't pick based on this video alone. Download 3 apps. Use them for a week each. Pay attention to what annoys you and what delights you. Does the learning curve frustrate you or excite you? Do you care if your data is on someone's server? How important is mobile? These answers are personal. I tested all 6 for this video. Obsidian won for me because I value privacy and speed. But Notion won for my colleague because she loves templates and flexibility. The tool is only as good as the habits you build with it. Pick one and build the habit.